Hello, so we're just going to do a quick tour of my $24 US apartment. So as you can see, we're overlooking the Nile. We have the Luxor temple there. Just in the distance there you can see the boats arriving. That is the ferry terminal to cross to the east side of Luxor where the train and the bus station is. We just have all these guest houses along here. So you just walk along this dirt road. These are all guest houses here. There's some locals doing restaurants and stuff there. And I'm just on the roof terrace here. This is called, I keep getting the name wrong. It is Full Moon Guest House on booking.com. It is $24 US. Just in the background there you have Valley of the Kings. So let's do a quick tour inside. Okay, so when you come in, so I have living room here. I got the ceiling fan on. There's no AC in the living room. Here's the TV. There's a big kitchen. I don't know why you need one that big. The fridge is just full of drinks. That's how I'm surviving. I've got a back balcony here. So this is overlooking the Valley of the Kings. That's where they were doing the hot air balloons in the morning. So those mountains are all the Valley of the Kings. And then when we come through here, we'll be into the bedroom. Just turn the lights on. So again, the bedroom, again, is a ceiling fan, and this is where I do have the AC. There's another little balcony here, but the view isn't as good. And then there's a massive bathroom here. Probably like the biggest bathroom I've ever had in my life. There's supposed to be, in the booking it said washing machine, not that I need one, but I guess that's the outlet for the washing machine. So yes, $24 US. Oh, and the other thing, then I have my private view here. So I can, again, look out onto, there is the Luxor temple there. So in the cool and the shade of my room, I can look out on everything as well. So this is $24 US. I paid the most money for the top floor because this one has its own balcony and everything. The rooms downstairs are probably cheaper. So there are cheaper options if you don't want to stay in those big luxury hotels. Go a bit more local. This is very economical. There's 2 American girls staying here as well. I saw them in the morning. Yeah, so that's what you get for $24 US in Luxor. If you want an authentic experience, stay on the West Bank. They're all either trying to get me to go into a boat for a 1-hour cruise or a taxi to go to Valley of the Kings, which I've already done. But no, just keep walking. It's fine. Safe. I'm seeing lots of Westerners here. I'm going to look for lunch now. I'm literally back in Pakistan when I was a kid. That's why this is all like normal for me. But if you run into any problems, International Rescue, the Thunderbirds will come and save you in a jet plane. I just woke up to this early morning sight. It's about 6 a.m. So I guess they're doing the morning balloon rides before the heat gets up. You'd never catch me on that.